313.
1016, 514 Miami Drive, 514 Miami Drive. Third party call advised over 1016 between a male and female, no mention of weapons.
10-4 from 17 traffic.
10-4, 312.
From 17 canal.
10-4.
214, 10-6.
10-4.
311.
311.
Walmart's cleared. You can send me the call in Miami.
10-4. 312, 313.
313, I'll continue, Russ.
10-4, 312, say 10-8.
10-4. I'll continue to 411 closer.
312. I'll show you back route. They're now advising the male just broke a window, attempts to get into the residence.
111. 111. I'll start that way from the 600 block of Cedar as well.
10-4.
113 or 112. Fieldstone's clear of that vehicle.
10-4. 722 on 10-8.
10-4.
CDO, can you call him back and see if, in reference to Miami, if he left in a vehicle? Just had a car pull off of Miami.
10-4. CDO is possibly going to be a Volvo, trying to get the color and description.
He's turning on to Dominion from Cedar right now. Try to catch up to him.
10-4 advising dark blue sedan.
CDO to 311, it was that vehicle that just made that turn.
So, 111 to CDO, which way on Dominion?
We're headed north.
7.
He's turning on to Dominion from Cedar right now. Try to catch up to him.
10-4 advising dark blue sedan.
CDO to 311, it was that vehicle that just made that turn.
So, 111 to CDO, which way on Dominion?
We're headed north.
214 to 215.
215.
Go to tag 1.
10-4. 414.
CDO.
CDO.
There'll be traffic on him just north of the Veterans Bridge, Virginia Tag, Victor Mike Juliet, 2777.
10-4.
311, what's up?
10-4.
It's Victor Mike Juliet, 2277. He hasn't stopped yet. He's headed on Bainbridge.
Copy, not stop. Victor Mike Juliet, TT77.
113 to CDO. Subject comes back suspended. If that's Clifton Gray.
10-4. See if you can get some South Norfolk or Greenbrier units on Bainbridge.
212, 214.
11 to CDO, I'm coming over the bridge now.
260 on the route.
10-4. CDO advised on 10-3.
We're still on Bainbridge. Speed's about 40.
10-4. All units, 10-3 east-west, 10-3 east-west, CDO.
214 on the route to Bainbridge.
10-4.
Just past Libertyville.
Copy, passing Libertyville.
212 en route.
10-4.
Bainbridge.
10-4.
CDO to 311. Can you take the lead?
7.
Decorative copy.
All units, a possible suspect address of 2530 Bar Street, Norfolk.
CDO, we're passing Grant Street.
Copy, passing Grant.
Passing Great Bridge Boulevard. Speeds are at 45. No traffic on the roads.
No traffic, speed 45, passing Great Bridge.
CDO, I'm authorizing spike strips if you can get somebody on Bainbridge.
Copy, spikes authorized.
Coming up on the triple deck.
Approaching triple decker.
111 to CDO.
Good.
I'm not far behind you. I just passed Great Bridge Boulevard.
10-4, I'll let you take my spot. CDO, see if we get a unit to go to Miami to see if we've got more charges.
112, I'm just about 10-6 there.
CDO, we're coming up on Portlock Street. Speeds are at 65. Just the light traffic. There's one vehicle in front of us.
Speed 65, approaching Portlock.
I'm 10-6 on the
Turning into 7-Eleven at Portlock.
7-Eleven at Portlock.
111, I'm 10-6.
Careful.
212, 10-6.
Careful.
214, 10-6.
Careful.
216, traffic.
Careful. Headquarters any unit advise the vehicle stop.
Vehicle stop, taking taxi right now. 10-12 on, left 10-3.
Careful.
213, 10-6 with CDO.
Careful.
212, got one in custody, clear to lift 10-3.
Copy and custody 238. Confirming lift 10-3.
10-4, it's code 4, you lift 10-3.
10-4, all units 10-3 lifted on east-west, lifted on east-west.
213, I'm 10-6 with DRP. The suspect vandalized one of the vehicles, destroying the windshield and also a couple windows in the house.
Careful.
Man, don't keep fucking touching me, man, like that, man. You a bitch, man. I told you I ain't had it. If I had that, I would have pushed nowhere. I would have shot you first. Come on, man. I ain't got nothing, man. I told you I ain't got nothing. I want to pull somewhere. They say pull somewhere where it's like that. I pulled over. I had my signal light on at 7-Eleven. What the fuck? Man, you know my fucking name. You got my wallet, right? Man, get the fuck off me, you whack ass. Bitch ass cop, man. Man, you a whack ass cop, man. Man, hey, look, man, you a stand up on your own? So help me up. But don't act like no extra shit, y'all. I'm not resisting or nothing, yo. I pulled the fuck over, right? I pulled over in light. What they say? Y'all got all these cops all out here, man. Hey, yo. No. Hey. Good. Ready? Wait. Here. 1, 2, 3, up. Hey. Yo. Hey, record the whole thing, bro. Nah, hold on. Let me get my phone. Nah, let me get my phone. Nah, I ain't do nothing that bad. Let me get my phone, yo. Nah, let me get my phone. Let me get my numbers on my phone. I ain't do shit. And you a black